Salma, the EcoClip. So I wanted to ask you basic questions on sustainability. What is sustainability according to you?
Okay, so it differs on what kind of sphere we consider. If we're considering the economic aspect as well as the social aspect, it can be things like trying to eradicate poverty, generating more employment in our economy, and in the environmental aspect, it can be making use of renewable resources and making sure that not only us but the future generations too have some of this left.
According to me, sustainability is nothing but how we maintain our resource, our natural natural elements, or our surroundings.
Sustainability is basically the societal goal where it mostly aims on the human to coexist safely on earth. Sustainability, according to me, is using the resources which are naturally available instead of man-made, using all those resources in a limited amount which we try to conserve for our future generations also.
Sustainability, according to me, is without harming anything to our environment and our surroundings. We live in it and we have a peaceful life.
Would you like to suggest some more points to make our campus more sustainable?
Yeah, I think we can increase the frequency of no plastic drives that was taking place, conduct more cleanup drives and awareness campaigns as much as we can from our end.
We can plant more of these trees in our surroundings, campus surroundings, and we can avoid more plastic use in our campus. Yeah, such things can develop or contribute to sustainability.
I would like to completely ban plastics in our college.
As we are planning, we would like to install vertical gardening in the every floor of our college campus. We have so many ideas to be done inside the college campus before we leave. We would like to set a pathway for our juniors for them to follow in this campus.